Harold here at Harold's Adventures YouTube channel. Me and my son are gonna go for a little lake trip. We're gonna take the kayaks. I don't know if you can see in the back there, but we got the kayaks loaded up and we're gonna head to a lake and see if we can do a little trout fishing, me and Kai. We're here at the lake. Sorry I didn't video record the way here because this is a secret lake. Me and my family's been fishing here for years. Also, the kids' grandpa, my wife's dad. I also showed him where this lake is, and he comes here and fishes also. And my wife's brother, we all kind of fish here at this lake. So it's kind of a sacred lake to me. I'm not going to show you the direction how to get here, and I'm not going to tell you the name of the lake either. We're going to go down there. We're going to have some fun. All right, we're here at the lake. My kayak accidentally slid down the hill and ended up over there. Kai's here. He's going to go get it for me down on the bank. I could probably run down there and get it actually, but it's on somebody else's property at this moment. So I'll just let Kai get it. Well, here we got the first trout of the night. He's not very big, so we're gonna probably let him go, put him back in the water. Here's number two. He ain't too bad looking. A little bit bigger than the last one. He ain't too bad. So we caught two. We've probably had 15 or 20 good bites. It's getting late. My wife's got dinner already cooked at home, so I think we might just take off here and go eat some dinner. This was a fun trip though. I got my kayak up to the truck, coming back down to help Kairos get his kayak back up here, as it's a little bit of a steep hill coming up and down out of this lake for the public access. Here's the fish that Kairos caught. He caught a couple there. Good little pan fryers. This is where we come fish. Me and Kai had another wonderful adventure. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. Please like and subscribe, and until the next time.